According to this map, I'm on General do Travessa do General Ivens Ferraz. This little map right there. So we're gonna go down it in a second. Before we go down it, you kind of have this lumberyard thing right here, and then you have Mongha straight ahead. You can see that up on the top. That's part of Tourist University, and then there's a fort up at the top called Mongha. And right over here is where the old dog tracks used to be, dog racing track. And our target street is going to be directly down this little thing. So we're going to put it up on the map so you know exactly where we are. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. So we're going to go down this track in a moment. That's a dog track. Okay, let's go on down. So yeah, I think this actually has a name, and I've definitely never walked it before, so we're gonna see where it goes to. And I guess it's called Travessa. We'll have it down below so you can see exactly where it is as well. Huh. I don't know, this might be it. We'll just come out to the corner here and see where it goes to. Huh, goes into the space here. Travessa, okay. I see it now. Yeah, I don't think I've filmed it before. And it looks like it's right here. It looks like it just kind of goes down that way. And that might have been part of it as well.飛喇士巷. I guess that's a post office for飛喇士巷. We'll just walk all the way down to the end. Yeah, it is. It's oh, this is a health clinic for飛喇士巷right there. Got Travessa here. Beauty forever. Okay. Yeah, there's all kinds of little stuff that I haven't filmed before. This is one right here. This little Travessa. There's a dog. There's Mongha at the top, and this is where the dog race is. So if you're up at the top, you can overlook that. I have captured that before. And that goes all the way to the waterfront right there. It's kind of a nice, beautiful street when you look at it from this angle. Okay. Youngli Beauty Center. So this whole area is called Phai Chi K. And in Phai Chi K, there's Phai Chi K actually has a reference to chopsticks. And then the chopsticks is because all these buildings in this area are quite tall. So they give them the Phai Chi K name because they stick out of the ground like they're like chopsticks. Okay. Let's kind of see where we are exactly. And this street that we're coming out to, I'm just gonna walk over there and just see what it is. So that's our small little Target street right there. We're next to the Phai Chi K health clinic. And then it looks like it comes to this little marginal de Patane. So that was the one I was walking to when the battery cut off. So we're just gonna end it right there. Right there.